Ever wondered what the latest trends in men's wedding attire are? As the world of fashion evolves, so too does the variety and style of wedding attire for men. Today we're going to delve into the leading trends that are shaping the look and feel of the modern grooms ensemble. To kick things off, we're seeing a resurgence of traditional outfits with a contemporary twist. Sherwanis, a staple in Indian weddings, are now being showcased in a whole new light. From intricate chikankari sherwanis to celestial sage green sherwanis adorned with moti work, the classic outfit has been given a modern makeover. Top designers like Tarun Tahiliani and Punit Arora are leading this trend, offering a variety of designs that fuse tradition with a touch of modernity. But the innovations don't stop at sherwanis. Royal red embroidered sherwanis, zardozi sherwanis, and metal-accentuated wedding suits are making waves in the wedding scene. These unique designs, brought to life by talented designers like Valaya and Abhishek Gupta, offer a royal and elegant look that's perfect for the big day. While darker hues have always been popular in men's wedding attire, the latest trends are leaning towards lighter and brighter colours. For summer weddings, designs are embracing a softer palette. Think printed pink ensembles by Mayor R. Girotra Couture, or a black curtainette embellished crystal negro glitz set by ITRH Official. These outfits offer a refreshing change from the traditional darker tones, adding a dash of colour and personality to the proceedings. And let's not forget about pre-wedding festivities. There's a trend for embroidered kurta sets and pink chanderi silk printed checkered kurta pant sets, ensuring that every event leading up to the wedding day is just as stylish as the main event. To wrap things up, let's revisit the main trends we've discussed today. The modern groom is embracing a mix of tradition and innovation, with contemporary takes on classic sherwanis leading the way. Brighter colours and unique designs are making their way into summer wedding attire, while elegant and royal outfits remain a popular choice for the wedding day. And with the rise of stylish outfits for pre-wedding festivities, the modern groom is guaranteed to be well-dressed for every occasion. So whether you're a fan of traditional attire or prefer a more modern look, there's something out there for every groom. Remember, your wedding day is about expressing your personal style. So don't be afraid to embrace the latest trends and make them your own. Happy planning!